welcome back. In the last few videos, you have gotten very massive response. First of all, very thanks. I'm really very happy after that great response. Okay, now coming into today's video, it is about the preview of the first ODI between India and Australia. India and Australia, the series where India is touring down under. The first ODI is taking place in the Sydney Cricket Ground in Sydney. Coming to the temperature of Sydney, it is around 27-26 degrees Celsius, which is a kind of cold in Sydney, but there is no high perceptions for rain. We believe that we will get a full game without any rain interruptions on this part of the year. There is really no chance of rain, to be very frank. Coming into the pitch conditions, the pitch is in kind of an hard pitch, but in the pitch we have an even grass cover all over. That means that the pitch will give you some good amount of pace and bounce. It is too suitable for bowlers, especially for pace bowlers. Another thing is that given the breeze, first few overs we may expect a little hint of swing. I am saying that we may expect a little hint of swing. It may or may not be. It may vary given the condition or given the movement of air. And another thing is that given the temperature which is cold in the second innings, it will suit a lot for the spinners. It may grip and turn. So mostly Australian captains will prefer to bat first, and given these conditions, I would rather say that batting first is an preferable option over bowling. And another thing is that usually the grounds in Australia are rather very big compared to grounds all around the globe. So if I win the toss as a captain, I would rather bat first and put pressure on the chasing side. So we will quickly go into our team probable starting 11. From India's point of view, the probable starting 11 will be Shikhar Dhawan, Mayank Agarwal and the captain Virat Kohli. In net 4 will be Shreyas Iyer. In net 5 will be vice captain and wicketkeeper KL Rahul. In net 6 we will play Hardik Pandya. In net 7 we will play Ravindra Jadeja. In net 8 to complement the spin duo we will play Yuzvendra Chahal. The bowling will be Navdeep Saini, Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Shami. I am not speaking a lot about this playing 11 because we have already discussed a lot about this. And coming to Australia, opener will be the captain Aaron Finch, and in net 2 will be David Warner, who has been a phenomenal touch in the recently concluded IPL. And in net 3 will be one from the Fab 4, it is Steve Smith. In net 4 we will play Alex Carey, the wicket keeping option. He is the best wicket keeper currently in Australia. In net 5 will be Marcus Labuschagne. This order may vary, but Labuschagne is one of the finest batsmen currently in world cricket. 6-7, the all-rounder option will be the pace bowling all-rounder will be Marcus Stoinis, and the spin bowling all-rounder will be Glenn Maxwell. They have a phenomenal record for Australia. They have been one of the mainstays for this Australian team. And the spin option, another spin option rather, 8th will be Adam Zampa, great spinner. And the pace bowling option will be Mitchell Starc. He's a phenomenal bowler. I need not say a lot about this guy. And 10 and 11 will be Pat Cummins and Josh Hazlewood. Pat Cummins on the later part of the IPL proved why he has been one of the costliest buys in IPL history. And the last but not the least, it will be Josh Hazlewood. He is another great guy who can swing the ball well, and he can bowl at 140 plus as normally as Australian bowlers do. If you like my videos, please like and post your ideas on my comment section, and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for instant notification. Until next time, it's me signing off.